guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing the eyeshadow tutorial using the Perception palette by Colourpop. I really did enjoy the shadows. It was my first time using it. They were all really pigmented, beautiful, blended nicely. I'm usually never disappointed with Colourpop, so I really like this palette. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. First, starting off with the eyes, I'm going in with the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. I'm just using this to prime the eyelids. Since there wasn't a matte shade in the palette that I could set the concealer down with, I just took another palette and took like a plain white shade to set that down. Next, I'm going in with the shade Culture, and I'm just going to put that all along my crease. I'm not really being too precise with this. I just want to use this color as my transition shade. It's just a warm light brown shade, pretty much the same shade I'd usually go in with on the crease. Next, I'm going in with the shade Thick, and I'm just going to take that and put it all over my lid. This color turned out to be really pigmented. I really liked it. I was a little concerned about using it at first. That orange can be kind of intimidating, but I think the whole look really ties together nicely. Then I'm going in with the shade Revenge. It's this dark red color, and I'm just using that to deepen up my outer V, and I'm like sweeping that in circular motions and then blending that into the crease. I just spent a lot of time on this look pretty much blending. Then I'm taking that original shade Culture, and I'm using that just to blend away some harsh edges. Then I'm going in with the shade TF. This is really pigmented when you apply it with your finger. I chose to use a brush and I didn't spray it, so it's not coming off too pigmented right now. But I did that because I was actually going out to run errands, so I didn't want it to be too glam of a look. Then I'm going in with Unbothered, and I'm using that as my brow bone and my inner corner highlight. It's a really beautiful shade. Moving on to the face, I'm going in with the Master Prime Maybelline Hydrate and Smooth Primer. I'm applying this with a foundation brush from Colourpop. I just didn't want to get it all over my hands. I actually liked applying primer better this way. And I got this because I needed something really hydrating for my face, because next I'm going in with the Colourpop No Filter Foundation. And my problem with that was I found it was really drying. I mean, it is a matte foundation, and it started to fade away in the areas that I was really dry in. Again, I'm going in with the Colourpop No Filter Concealer just to brighten up the dark circles underneath my eyes. Then I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Pressed Powder in the shade Translucent. I'm just using this to set down my face because the foundation did feel a little tacky. Then I'm going in with my Per Cosmetic Sculpting Palette just to contour my face a little bit. But since this foundation was a shade too light for me, I do need to add a little bit of color to my cheeks. So I am going in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm just going to use that and warm up my face because I looked a bit ghostly in here. Then I decided to mix Limitless and Fearless from my Real Her Be Fearless Be Limitless blush palette, and I just wanted to add some more color to my cheek. Next, I'm going in with my Milani Afterglow Highlighter. I just love the way that this looks on my skin. It is one of my favorites. For the lips, I'm using Colourpop Ultra Blotted Lip in the shade Love Bite. This is probably one of my favorite nude shades I've been wearing most of the summer. Going back into the eyes, I'm going in with Culture, and I'm going to buff that along my lower lash line, kind of all over. Then I'm going to go back in with Revenge too, and I'm going to blend a little bit of that, just mostly on the outer corners of my lower lash line. And yeah, that completes today's look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.